This video will walk you through configuring your computer to use the University of Montana's DirectConnect Internet service. DirectConnect is a wired network connection provided to residents of any of the on-campus residence halls as well as Lewis and Clark Village, allowing access to the Internet as well as other campus network resources. To start this process, open up a web browser such as Google Chrome, Firefox, or Internet Explorer. This should automatically redirect you to the DirectConnect Internet Setup page. If this page does not load, try typing umt.edu into your browser. For this video, Google Chrome is used as a web browser. Next, click the Download button and choose to run the DirectConnect Setup package for Windows users. This screen is an example of what you will see once you run the setup package. To ensure your computer and the network as a whole remain secure, each computer must pass a set of requirements shown here. Requirements shown in green have been met, while requirements in red require attention. This is a quick overview of what the requirements mean. Supported operating system requirement. Student Affairs IT currently provides full support for Windows XP. This includes Windows XP, Windows Vista, and Windows 7. Supported network configuration. In order to complete the DirectConnect Internet setup process, you must be connected to a wired connection in your assigned room. End User License Agreement. This agreement covers the acceptable use guidelines associated with the DirectConnect Internet service. Updated personal information. To use the Internet, you will need a current housing assignment with the university and provide us with up-to-date contact information. Operating system updates and security. Microsoft will often provide bundles of critical updates known as service packs. We require all computers be running the most recent service pack for their version of Windows. Supported antivirus and updates. Campus has arranged an agreement with Symantec to provide antivirus software for their computer. This software is required for Windows users and helps keep your computer and the network safer from viral interruptions. When the window opens, click Supported Antivirus and Updates. This will walk you through the uninstallation of any pre-existing antiviruses and install Symantec Endpoint Protection. If you already have an antivirus, it will be displayed in the dialog box. For example, AVG is currently installed on this machine. We require you to uninstall any pre-existing antiviruses. To uninstall the program, click the Open, Add, and Remove Programs button. Right-click on your antivirus listed in the previous window in the list of programs and select Uninstall. Remove all of the settings of the antivirus. When the uninstall has finished, restart your computer. After the restart, reopen your browser and download the package. Once again, click on the Supported Antivirus and Updates button. If there are no more conflicting programs, a box with the Symantec download will open automatically. Click on the blue Symantec Endpoint Protection 11 link to begin the download. This installation may take several minutes. Once complete, the Supported Antivirus and Updates bar will turn green. If you are running Windows XP or Windows Vista, you may have to fulfill the operating system updates and security requirement depending on how up-to-date your computer is. Service Pack 3 is required for Windows XP, and Service Pack 2 is required for Windows Vista. If the bar is red, click on it and download the required service pack. Once it has been installed, you must restart your computer and rerun the setup package. In some cases, you may have to install more than one service pack to get fully up to date. Once you are fully updated, the bar will turn green. Next, input your phone number, net ID, and student ID number in the Updated Personal Information section. Your student ID is your 790 number on your gross card, and your net ID is your first and last initial plus 6 randomly assigned numbers. Your net ID can be found on most of your school registration documents and is used to sign into CyberBear. When entering your phone number, enter 10 digits and do not include hyphens, parentheses, or other characters. If you are unsure of what your net ID is, go to onestop.umt.edu and click What is my net ID? Fill in the form to look up your net ID. You will need to do this from a computer with Internet access. Internet-available labs and kiosks are available in your residence hall lobby, which you may use. Finally, read the End User License Agreement. This states that you will not download files illegally and gives a list of rights and rules regulating your network connection. If you accept the terms and conditions described in this agreement, click I agree. The requirement will be complete. Once all requirements have been completed, the bar at the bottom will turn green. Click on it to test your internet connection and make sure you can navigate to web pages such as google.com. If you have any questions, feel free to call Student Affairs IT Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. at 243-2625. A Resident Technology Assistant, RTA, is available to assist residents in your residence hall. To sign up for in-room assistance during the academic year, visit umt.edu/DCO using one of the labs or kiosks available in your residence hall's lobby. Thank you for watching this Student Affairs IT presentation.